Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Ford's electric vehicles. Ford is one of the leading automakers in the world, and they're making a big push into electric vehicles. In the last year, they've made a big push to switch over to EVs, and this includes the business structure, the sales tactics, the manufacturing investments, and the innovation, as well as big business partners. They have launched pivotal vehicles such as the Mustang Mach E and the wonderful F-150 Lightning. Both of these vehicles have been so successful that they're number 2 currently in the US. So let's talk about some of their current vehicles, as well as some that are coming soon based on what's been released so far. So first, the F-150 Lightning. This is Ford's first all-electric pickup truck. It's based on the popular F-150 series, and it offers a lot of the same features, but with an electric twist. The idea was to show people what electric trucks can do, while keeping with the tried and true look of the truck that so many love across the US. This truck has not only improved the performance and the tech of the popular truck, but also made it more capable for doing truck tasks. The truck is four-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive, by using 2 electric motors, one in the front axle and one in the rear axle. The F-150 Lightning has a range of 320 miles max range, and it can tow 10,000 pounds. It also has a built-in generator that can power your home and other devices during a power outage. Some additional details on the F-150 Lightning include the fact that it is dual motor or all-wheel drive. It has an acceleration of 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. It has a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment center with plenty of apps and things to do. It also has a 10.2 digital instrument panel up in front of the steering wheel, like many F-150s do currently. It has a 110 volt outlet and 2 220 volt outlets in the truck bed and some 110 outlets in the mega frunk. Like I said, it has a built-in generator that can provide up to 9.6 kilowatts of power in case you need it. It's a major step forward for Ford, and it's a major step forward for the electric vehicle industry. It's a powerful, versatile, and affordable electric pickup truck that is sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers. Now, when I say affordable, I mean in comparison to other pickup trucks. The F-150 Lightning starts at $59,974, although it was originally a sub $40,000 spec. There are 2 battery sizes, and then 4 trim levels to the truck. There's the work truck, which is really the best value, the XLT, the Lariat, and then the Platinum. The Ford F-150 Lightning is available now, and you do not need to pre-order it anymore. You can just order online, and depending on the trim, they may have some lead time. Also, important to note that there are also some of these on the lots. The F-150 Lightning is a great option for anyone looking for an electric pickup truck. It's powerful, it's versatile. If you're looking in the market for a new truck, the F-150 Lightning is definitely worth considering. The next vehicle we're going to talk about is actually the electric vehicle Ford released first, and that's the Mustang Mach E. The Mach E is their first all-electric SUV. It's based on the Mustang, and it offers a lot of the same performance and style, but with an electric powertrain. It's also technically an SUV since it has 4 doors and a hatch on the rear. The Mach E has a range of up to 300 miles, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds for the fastest model. It also has a number of advanced features such as hands-free liftgate. It has a dual motor and all-wheel drive system. It has 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment center, has a 10.2 digital cluster in the front. The Mustang Mach E is a major step forward for Ford and the electric vehicle industry. Again, it's stylish, powerful, and an affordable electric SUV that's sure to appeal to a wide range of different buyers. The Mustang Mach E starts at around $42,995, and the Mustang Mach E is available also to order online and can be found on lots. Another electric vehicle Ford has come out is more in their transit side. The #1 van sold across Europe, and it's the Transit E. The Transit E is an all-electric commercial van. It's based on the popular Transit series vans, and this offers a lot of the same features as the Transit, but with an electric powertrain, of course. The Transit E has a range of up to 126 miles using a 68 kilowatt-hour battery and comes in many different configurations, from box frames to enclosed vans, as well as different heights and lengths. It also has a number of features that are designed for commercial use, such as a durable interior and a built-in telematics system. These can be configured with technology, interior and exterior, paint protection, windows if you want that in the actual van portion of the van. If you're looking for a great vehicle to use for your business, for example, or possibly van life, the E-Transit may be a great choice. They start at around $46,000 currently in 2023 model year and increase with the options. The E-Transit is a great option for anyone looking for an electric commercial van. It's durable, powerful, affordable again. If you're in the market for a new van for your business, the E-Transit is probably worth considering as well. It has a built-in telematics system again that can track the van's location. It has its battery status and other data for somebody to keep an eye on. The next vehicle we're going to talk about is some of the upcoming vehicles. You have the new upcoming electric full-size truck Ford has not yet released really any details about, but it's expected to be released in 2025 and is currently being codenamed Project T3. This is a ground-up design of an EV truck that is said to be extremely simplified in the manufacturing and assembly of the truck. It is expected to have less options than their current offerings, but to offer limited options they think people mostly only want. This is all to reduce the cost of the vehicles to make them more competitive. There are not many more details on the truck yet, other than the fact that CEO Jim Farley thinks that it will sell in the hundreds of thousands. It's supposed to have good range, but done so with a smaller battery pack, so it's more efficient and charges faster. This is very similar to what Tesla's been doing with the Cybertruck, but hopefully Ford makes theirs a little nicer looking. Also, just recently, CEO Jim Farley announced they made a deal with Tesla to be able to charge their existing vehicles at Tesla's superchargers via an adapter. This 2025 truck would come standard with the Tesla charging port. Ford's also announced they were going to be launching a 3-row SUV soon, and this could be quite possibly an updated electric Explorer for the US market. Ford recently launched an electric SUV in cooperation with VW in Europe, so since this would be a ground-up design from Ford's release in the US, I think it's safe to say that this will be a new version of the Explorer or some other SUV. Either way, it's very exciting to hear of these ground-up designs for electric vehicles. They will be more efficient with smaller batteries. They'll have good range still and really fast charging. This, I think, is the key to making a good electric vehicle. Many of the current larger trucks and SUVs that are on the market have larger battery packs, which really requires either faster charging rates so that you can either charge in the same amount of time or it's going to take longer to charge. That's also not really great for the life of the batteries to be charging at those faster rates. I think efficiency is more important, along with a good battery technology. Ideally, you want the vehicle to not need large and heavy batteries if possible, which sounds like that's what Ford's trying to work on. Ford's also investing in the US for manufacturing of electric vehicles, batteries, and motors. Ford is investing heavily to manufacture these batteries and motors. They're announcing plans to build 3 new electric vehicle factories in the US, and they're also investing in battery production and research in the US. Ford's investment in the US is a major boost to the electric vehicle industry, and it will help to create jobs and grow the economy. Here are some of the recent investments that Ford has made to produce the electric vehicles in the US. So we've got $5.6 billion investing into Blue Oval City in Stanton, Tennessee. Blue Oval City will be a vertical integrated electric vehicle manufacturing complex that will produce batteries, electric vehicles, and components. It's also expected to create about 6,000 jobs. They're investing another $1.5 billion in Blue Oval SK battery plant in Glendale, Kentucky. SK will be a battery manufacturing plant that will supply batteries for Ford's electric vehicles. It's expected to create around 1,800 jobs. They're also going to be investing about $3.7 billion into 3 existing factories in Michigan, Missouri, and Ohio. These investments will be used to modernize the factories and prepare them to produce electric vehicles. It's expected that this will create somewhere around 6,200 jobs. These investments are part of Ford's plans to invest a total of $30 billion in electric vehicles through 2025, and Ford plans to produce 2 million electric vehicles by 2026. In addition to these investments, Ford is also working to develop its own electric vehicle battery technology. Ford is investing $1 billion in a joint venture with Solid Power to develop solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries are a new type of battery that could offer longer range and faster charging times than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Ford's also been working to develop its own electric vehicle charging network. Ford's investing about $2 billion in the network of about 50,000 electric vehicle charging stations in the U.S. The network is expected to be completed by 2026. We'll see if this charging network now incorporates Tesla's plug or not with the new deal. At the end of the day, these investments are a major step forward for Ford and the electric vehicle industry. Ford is committed to becoming a leader in the electric vehicle space, and these investments will help achieve that goal. It's clear Ford is making a big push into electric vehicles, and they have a lot of exciting new models coming out in the next couple of years. If you're looking for an electric vehicle, Ford is definitely a brand to consider. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Hit that subscribe button so you can see when I post new content. And there's several things down in the description for links for some discounts on some sites. As well, if you're thinking of buying another vehicle, Tesla, there's a referral link down there that gets some points and some free supercharging miles. So we'll see you on the next one.